Features a non-stick coating that is PFOA-free, which is safer for you and fewer greenhouse gases. Versatile, ideal for everything from stir-fry to deep frying. Flat base for balance, which also enables the wok to sit directly on the burner, maximizing the heat in the pan. High heat transfer for even cooking. Suitable for electric, gas, glass, ceramic stovetops. Ecolution non-stick carbon steel wok with soft touch riveted handle, 8, black. Top reviews from the United States. Great pan, great price, big. Wow, I love this pan. We went to my cousin's house for tacos and he cooked up a big mess of taco meat in a pan very much like this. I decided I really needed one, so of course came to Amazon and found this one and placed my order. Well, when it arrived, I thought, damn, this thing is huge. But have discovered, that is a good thing. It lets you toss lots of goodies around in there without them jumping out of the pan. I've used it several times so far and love that things just slide right out of it, no sticking at all, even with the vindaloo I just made. Washes up very easily and sits ready for the next time. I hope it holds up well. We'll report back if it does not, but so far I am very happy with the quality, size, and non-stickness of it.